To understand all the points, you'd better slow down video a bit. That's why all my buttons pressed toward big clear sky. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creation some footage as requires some Vice plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easier. I won't give backgrounds with the text while you're free to do their usage. After the video, you can press anywhere and check my other videos on any of my other channels. I love you! You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within scope of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. On my second channel, Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage owner. We say psst, 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 and I say like and subscribe. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.